Hey everyone, what is going on? I got a livery for my car in this bag. So I have it all laid out. I got it from spinnywoosh. I believe it was 20 big stickers, 40 small stickers. Doesn't sound like a lot, but I got it all laid out, and I gotta say, there's a lot here if you organize it. So imagine scattering it over the car. Look at that. I can't even get the whole thing in view. The whole roof filled up with silver and gold stickers. We're gonna put them all down the side here somewhere real cool. Got a little jet tag and some candy. So this is gonna go in the car and you're gonna check it out. So got all the stickers organized per side. As you can see, some have already been used. I'm not going to show you that yet. I was really curious to see what they would look like. And I ate the candy. So basically I laid it out. He sent some few extras, so that may come in handy. Basically, I prepped the surface already. I went ahead and washed the car. Then used some quick detailer and clapboard to get everything smooth, any dust off. And I'm going to show you real quick here. Basically, the idea is to, wish I had a little bit more room. I'm thinking somewhere this line here to start and angle up over the door handle, you know, up this way. Give it like an angle back. Kind of hard to explain. I understand that, but just wanted to show you my thoughts real quick. And then basically, once it's all clean, you know, we'll go from the bottom of the door, diagonal back, over the quarter here, some on the bumper, and just try to give it a nice, like, in this area sort of idea. So, since this has been sitting overnight, I want to make sure there's no dust, you know, because there's a lot of pollen. So I'm going to quickly hit it with the quick detailer again, and just make sure this whole area is clean, and I'm going to show you putting on a few. So if any of you had followed my Instagram, you saw that I was thinking about doing something like this. So you kind of already got an idea of what I'm trying to do. So let me see if I can do this one-handed. So if any of you are following me on Instagram, you would have saw me messing around with like some Photoshop paint crap, getting an idea of what I wanted to do. Here's the gold, prepped, ready to go. And basically, what we're gonna do is, let me find a good spot, starting point, somewhere in the middle here, I think. Down like that. It's hard to do one-handed. Now these are kind of small. I mean, they're not small, but you know what I mean. They're not a huge sheet of vinyl trying to go on there. And you got it. So basically, I'm gonna put a bunch of the big ones on, and then do some of the small ones. Fill in the whole area, and then when you see the car, it'll be done, and I'll pull it outside and give you guys a full look at what I'm doing. So, about to pull the car out. I haven't actually seen the car outside. I mean, I've only been able to put the stuff on it within a few feet of the wall. So, I'm like super anxious and excited to see what this will look like. So, we're gonna pull the car out real quick. I gotta see it. Let me make sure my battery tender's unplugged. We're good. Oh, I can't wait to see this outside. I'm like super excited. have a check engine light from when I had the car all done, but you know, I'm getting my readings. So when I took the intake off, I think I might have left something unplugged when I first started it back up. Driving it a little bit should eliminate anything like that. Getting my boards. Okay, boards are lined up, off the boards. Okay, out of the garage. I moved the caliber so I can get some good pictures, some good video. I'm super excited to see this. So, hold on. Oh, it looks dope. It's definitely different. I like it. You guys ready? I think you guys are ready. Bam. There we go. Check that. I really like it. Like it a lot. Just enough to set it apart. And something I did is I took a couple of the extra ones and cut them so that I could put it into my SMF. I thought about doing the big one, but I just wanted to do the small one. I thought that would be better. Really like it. The one thing I did not think about is, since I chose this parallelogram shape, you know, I thought of it this way, but I didn't think of flipping or mirroring the shape. So this side, it's kind of different. So, and this side I did first. They're stickers, I can always redo them, but I really like it. I think I like the driver's side better, just because it seems, I think it's a little bit more organized. Maybe it's just playing tricks on me. But the line, I tried to keep it from like the door down, and I think I went a little bit wider on the passenger side. But the thing is you can do whatever you want with them. Not too bad. No, line's still pretty similar. I think just that silver one's a little bit out of place. I could probably move that silver one back and be fine. But really like it. I hope you guys like it. I think it looks cool. Oh, dude, it looks sick. Can't stop looking at it. That looks really cool. Really happy with it. Came out well. Since this was my first time doing it, I did have some few issues. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, I still got some bubbles in some of them. Some of them were bubbled really bad, and I had to pull them up and like relay them. And then like I accidentally stretched this one and like this one a little bit. And I probably should get like a plastic thing and try to work out some of the bubbles before the show, but I think it came out really well. Really like it. The silver and gold does go well with the purple and the black. Side look from the back. looks pretty well. I think it looks really good. Not bad for a first attempt. Thanks spinnywoosh for the hookup with a couple extra stickers he threw in there. Looks really good. Like it a lot. Can't wait for the show. Well, you'll be seeing this video after the show, so anyone that's at the show will see the car like this. I think it looks sick. So that's it. Went fairly well, as I hit my head on lights. Went fairly well for doing it the first time and not really knowing much. But yeah, they're just stickers. I can always take them off, reapply them with something else, change up colors, change up style. Real simple. I'll leave all the spinnywoosh stuff down below. I went with him. He made my numbers. I've gotten other stuff off him before. His prices seem fair. He works with you. You know, he threw in like a decent amount of extra stickers. That's why I was able to do like SMF card. But really like it. I'm super pumped. It looks really cool. Just wish I would have thought about getting a set mirrored for the passenger side, but it still looks good. I like it. It's a learning experience. It's something you can do yourself. Honestly, you could probably do it in about an hour or two and have it look really good. I worked on it for a couple nights, but I think it looks really good. So hopefully you guys like this little video. Hopefully you like the livery in a bag from spinnywoosh. I like it. I gotta start getting the car ready. It is Friday, and I gotta get that thing ready for the show on Sunday. I gotta take it out Sunday morning. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys there. You saw the last video, you'll understand why. But doing a little giveaway and have some stickers for any one of my viewers that come. So like and subscribe. Till next time.